You got a message. Welcome to the Fact Factory, your daily delivery of facts, not fakes. Here's your fact for today.
Did you know the trees in a forest are actually talking to each other right under your feet? Through a massive underground network of fungi, trees share nutrients, warn each other about pests, and even nurse younger saplings back to health. Scientists call this the Wood Wide Web. It's like the forest has its own high-speed internet. I guess nature really is well connected.
Delivery completed. Your next delivery of unbelievable fact is scheduled in 24 hours, and the countdown starts now.